This book is for anybody inside, outside Singapore who is concerned about the state of the real estate market. In fact, the main thesis of the book deals with what's happening in the next 10 to 15 years with the aging population, with the aging and depreciating 99-year leases of our properties, both HDB as well as private properties, as well as what happens to the families when they start to plan for inheritance, as the bulk of our baby boomers will be moving on. So there would be some form of restructuring in terms of family finances and family housing arrangements. Now, I say that we should be preparing for a property upturn because I think that there's, in the short term, still a little bit of an oversupply in probably all property segments, office, industrial, retail, and residential. Very specific niche segment, for example, retirement housing, I think that one we are very short of, and in fact most developed nations are still very short of retirement housing. Right now, due to the short-term oversupply, which could probably persist for another 2 years, I think that it is a good time to shore up cash, and then we prepare for when some light at the end of the tunnel will start to happen. Then we deploy our cash into future investments. Okay, for checking out the light at the end of the tunnel, there are a few things that I am looking for: population growth, solid employment growth, and real income growth that is consistent across all income groups. In the last 2 years, we did see average household income growing. However, I think that at the bottom end of the market, income has still been deteriorating. Income growth probably came about because of a larger proportion of new Singaporeans and new residents, as well as a rising stock market that has been doing well for some of the people who are working in the multinationals.